Ay. Hello everyone, this is May de Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Hello guys, we make popcorn. So honestly lang, wala pa ko kalimpyo sa among lutuan kay murag ikapoy ko. I cannot lie to you. Charot.
Apa di pap? Ihurot nagpap mama.
Taba.
And then ibutang yung cheese.
So when my daughter home is a food trip.
It's popping crazy. Don't open it.
Saba.
Ihurot sa nagpap.
Yeah.
Ang tayong katong luto.
Bato pop.
Absolutely not. What's going on? What about our plans together? What about our family, Bora Bora? I don't think you understand. Because I'm in a list.
Oh my god. See, this is the problem. You can't do anything without making a list about it first. You need to take a leap of faith and watch chance. Quit your dead-end job. Actually do something with your life.
Pag na ito.
Playing it safe.
Pag nasa na. Nimplapi siya guys.
Naabot na babaw.
Ala. Kaysa sa nipagngon.
Hindi ko. Uy! Too much.
It's too much na. Sige na. Finish na. Ay! Oh, perfect. This is how I make a popcorn. So cover the, what you call that, your pot, and then make a, what you call that, move little bit. So Sahira get popcorn. So thank you for watching. Hello guys. So I already make popcorn for Saturday for Sahira before I do something. Give me pot holder, Sahira, so I can get all the popcorn. So our dog is stay inside. Cause she love me. Charot. She love me. So, luto
Dako
tayo.
paglanan.
Ouch! Sorry. So this is my popcorn. Oh, perfectly.
Perfect. Nothing left.
Nothing
Perfecto.
left. Yeah.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.
Don't forget the cheese.
Cheese.
Don't forget to roast.
Don't hurot it. Give me the kuan. So this is, I transfer here because it's a one pot that I never expect. It's perfect. Working good that I make. I'm not scary no more for the oil. I know what is the technique. So, to you daddy, I know. So, shut up daddy. I know how to cook now daddy. I know. I never fall in love again. Root! Kwan, get the pala. You know what's pala? Okay. Oh, let's just mash, baby.
Smells like daddy's hands.
It smells like a pit charot. So we'll not put a lot because
Smells like pizza. Smells like it's big now.
enough na.
Also put it there.
Enough na. Okay. Oh, sorry. Get. So today's snacks.
Now.
So I know the technique now, guys, when you cook kuan. So sa guni siya. Sige sagpang ko. Kami ba?
Try.
Put in plastic. Give to John Ray.
It's not coming. It's not coming.
Maybe come.
No, it's not. I want it. You and me.
Hi, how are you doing? No. You're checking also. You sit down. Good girl. Your mommy have a lot of popcorn.
Mukbang.
Magmukbang imong mommy. Natulog. So today is Saturday. The January 11. Ayaw. So katawa na siya og himuan ako siya guys kay mo yang gipangayo. So deal with it your baby.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. Wala ka man magilis og
Come
t-shirt.
on, Daddy, let's eat. Let's go. Let's go mukbang. It's so yummy, see?
It's not a lot of cheese.
But yummy.
Yummy. Who make that one?
Mommy.
So usa ka planggana. Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hocoquera. So enjoy your life guys with your family and I will say bye bye. See you.